and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial. You're already finished in making addition and subtraction table. But this time, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a multiplication table 100 by 100 in just 4 to 5 minutes. But first, let me introduce myself. I am Johanna Paula R. Medina and I will show you a shortcut way using only one formula. So let's start. Point your cursor into B1 and type 1, and C1 type 2, and drag it and highlight until you reach the 100. In row header, apply the same procedure. And highlight it downwards, drag downwards. Then we have now the multiplier and multiplicand 100 by 100. And now all we need to do is to type the formula and finding the answer. Equal sign, dollar sign, A2, asterisk, B, dollar sign, 1. Enter, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Drag it again until you reach the 100. Then, when you see the crosshair again, drag it downwards. Then, we have now the 100 by 100 multiplication table using the one formula. So, when you click wherever you want, in the formula bar, you see the formulas. Remember, we don't put or we don't type any formula, only one formula. So, it's because we apply the shortcut. Or, remember, we don't wasted our time in typing the answers manually. So, we're already done. But for me, I want to enhance the appearance of the column header. And highlight it like this until you reach the 100. Click the fill colors and type what color you want. And in row header, same procedure. And light green. And in this corner, click and set your alignment into center and click the all borders in borders. So we're finished. Only rename the sheet name, like multiplication. Finished. Finally, we have now a new multiplication table. Very good, and I hope you found it very useful. Thank you.